All right, our second graph we're going to look at in lesson 4.1 are line graphs. And line graphs compare something over time. So you're going to almost always see a time either up and down or left and right in years or seconds or days or months, something that measures time. All right, so let's take a peek at a few of these. So here's one. Once again, we're always going to want to look at the title up here. So this one's called push-ups. So I see along the bottom, there's that time. I see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So they're counting in days. And it says number of push-ups up and down. And then it goes by fives. Kind of interesting. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I can kind of guess that this is a graph that's tracking how many push-ups a person did every day of the week, right? So if I look here on Sunday, I would go to that spot, go to that time, go up and see where does that plot point, where does it stop? So I know my numbers. You can see it already has it written on here, but they did 25 push-ups on Monday or on Sunday. On Monday, you can see they did 15. Now, with a line graph, they usually connect these dots together so you can kind of see up and down how things are changing over time. So this person did 25 on Sunday, 15 on Monday. Tuesday, they were back up to 25. And then on Wednesday, went down to 5. So I have a question already about this graph that I'd love to ask this person. Like, were they planning to? Did they get just really tired and were really sore on Wednesday and didn't do it? Or did they plan to only do 5 on Wednesday? So you can see they started their week strong, kind of went lower on Wednesday and Thursday, and then way back up on Saturday. So it shows how does something change over time. This one was days of the week and number of push-ups. Okay, here's this next one. It says, how much rain fell in October? All right, so that's the question it's asking us. We don't really even need that. All right, I see that that's just kind of a question it's asking us. We can answer that in a minute. But this graph down here, you can see I have how much rainfall in millimeters. Okay, I see that millimeters goes left and right. It tells us that, or it goes up and down. It tells us that up here. So this is how many millimeters from 0 to 80. And I see along the bottom is time, right? It's months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, all the way through. I can follow this line to see how much rain fell at different parts of the year. So if we wanted to go back and answer that question of how much rain fell in October, I could go to October. All right. I could look all the way up. It's connected right on that line. I follow that line over. So 40 millimeters, right? You can see it went up. In December, it was 70 millimeters. In August, I can see August down here. It was down here. They had no rain in August. So line graphs are really interesting because they let us see a trend over time. So I can see, hey, in the summer months, one conclusion I could make is in the summer months, it doesn't rain as much as the end of the year. This might be like their rainy season, or maybe this is kind of a drought. I'd love to see how many years over and over again to see if this still follows the same pattern. I've been saying that a lot. Sometimes we get data and we want to see more data to see if it's a pattern or if it's a trend or if it was just kind of random. But when we look at line graphs compare things over time. All right, so you're going to look at the year, look at the day, look at the date, and you'll compare it with the number that goes along the side. Okay, so you're going to go back. You're going to take a few minutes to take a peek at some line graphs and see if you can read them. All right, friends, see you later.